All right, let's talk about dinks, specifically why you're missing them and don't even know it. Most people think that pop-ups and into the net errors are caused by bad aim, but that's not always the case. The paddle angle actually determines the ball's future. If your paddle face is even slightly tilted, it changes everything. In pickleball, a dink is not about finesse. It's about precision, and that starts with quiet hands and a paddle face that's slightly open, not wiggling around. So next time you practice, pause right after contact. Freeze. Where's your paddle face pointing? Is it flat? Is it lifting? Is it pointed down? Use video, mirror work, get dressed, get obsessed with feedback. When you're dinking, you want to think about it as if it's a chip shot. When you're chipping the ball, you keep your arm straight and you go in a nice pendulum motion. That's what a dink is. You start with the racket head or paddle face pointing upwards, and you go a little pendulum motion. That's it. You go up. You have the paddle face slightly angled, and you move your arm and your shoulder slightly up. That's all it takes. If you're trying to dink and it's open too much, you're gonna pop it up. If the paddle face is angled too much to the ground, it's gonna go in the net. So your dink success doesn't start with feel, it starts with facts. So remember, when you're hitting those dinks, keep the paddle angle pointed slightly up, nice pendulum motion. And most importantly, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you wanna see more pickleball instructional videos.